common question that I'm asked is, who helps make my videos? And by the way, if you've watched any of my videos, thank you, much appreciated. Hope you like them. Well, today I'm going to give you a behind the scenes tour of my team and my studio. So let me introduce you to the team first of all. Our team is an army of one, namely it's me. So this is me. It's Friday afternoon, after hours, patients and staff have all left, and I film a majority of my content here in our boardroom where we have office meetings. This is what our boardroom looks like on a normal work day. It looks neat and organized, and we have meetings here with regularity, but when I film for content, I have to kind of reorganize the chairs. There's nobody else in the office, and so I have privacy and I can focus and concentrate. And do I use a teleprompter? I don't use a teleprompter. I do use a laptop computer that I type up a script and then I film. I have a DSLR camera right here that I just talk to, and I read the script that I wrote on my computer for the videos. I use a professional microphone. It's a Shure microphone. I do use a Rodecaster Pro mixer, and I just sit at the table, talk to my camera. I have good audio, and the office is vacant. I set up my own stuff, and this is the setup. So this is the team, and this is the studio. Thanks for watching as always. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.